Hello, today we will be solving a multiplication problem using concrete, pictorial, and abstract models. We will be using partial products to solve for this problem. The problem says, Stella buys 12 pizzas for a birthday party. She pays $6 for each pizza. How much money does Stella pay in all? So, the problem is asking us how much money did Stella spend on the pizzas. The number sentence for this problem is going to be 12 times 6. First, we will begin to solve the problem using concrete models. We will build 12 rows of 6. First, we will use 1 10 and 2 1s. This represents our 12 rows. We will repeat this 6 times to get the total amount of money spent. This will ensure that each of our 12 rows has 6 in it. Now that we have our complete model, we can see that we have 6 10s, and that equals 60. And we have 12 1s, which equals 12. To complete this word problem, we will add together each section of our units, or our partial products. So we're going to add 60 plus 12 60 for our 10s and 12 for our 1s. After adding these products together, we will get 72. Next, we will show a pictorial model using an area model and the box or window method. So first, we'll show the area model. We'll start by drawing 6 lines. These lines represent the 10s. Then we will add our dots to represent the 1s. 2 dots on each row. So now we have our 12 rows and then 6 dots in each row. Now we will use the box window method to show our partial products. So on the top we have 6. And then on the side, we're going to break down the 12. We have 10, for the tens place, and then a 2 for the ones place. So 10 times 6 is going to equal 60. And we see that here with the 6 tens. And then 6 times 2 is going to equal 12, which we see right here. And the ones, sorry. So then we're going to add our partial products, 60 and 12. And that's going to give us the answer of 72. Lastly, we'll show you how to solve this problem using an algorithm as our abstract model. Our problem is 12 times 6. We start by multiplying our ones place, which is 6 times 2, and that equals 12. We'll write this answer at the bottom. This is our first partial product. We will then multiply our 6 in our ones place by our remaining 1 in our tens place, and then that will equal 60, making that our second partial product. And then you also write this number right below the first partial product. So now that we have our partial products, we can add them together to get our answer. So 12 plus 60 is 72. And that gives us the answer of $72. So let's go back to our word problem. Stella buys 12 pizzas for her birthday party. She pays $6 for each pizza. How much money does Stella pay in all? 12 times 6 equals 72. So Stella paid $72 in all.